Let me show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. In this video we will see step by step how to delete your Facebook account. This is amazing trick to delete any Facebook account. In this channel you learn many tips and tricks video. Just update your Facebook app and open your Facebook account. Select the account you want to delete. I select this and just click on three dot. Scroll down this page. Here you can see setting option. Just click on setting option and here you can see personal detail and click on personal detail. First you update your Facebook account. This is new setting and select the account you want to delete and click on personal detail. Here you can see account and personal detail. Click on account ownership and control and here you can see deactivation or deletion. Click on deactivation and select the account you want to delete permanently. I select this and here you can see delete option. This is the first step to delete your Facebook account permanently. Just click on delete account and select the second option. I select this and just click on continue. Just follow some simple step. Select the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. I select this and click on continue and just read this and continue and scroll down this page. Here you can see continue. Click on continue and enter your Facebook password to delete your Facebook account. If you want to delete, just put your Facebook account. Finally, your Facebook account has been deleted successfully. Thank you for watch.